Dream catchers, which is what I'm going to show you today, actually aren't Mi'kmaq, they're Ojibwe. The idea behind the dream catcher is the web in the center of the dream catcher filters your dreams. And the beads in the center of the dream catcher are representational of the bad dreams. So the web lets only the good dreams come through. So basically, you take a couple arm lengths, which I will cut with you for you. One is I use a small bit of glue on my knot when I start because I find the sinew is waxy. Can you feel it in your fingers? Like sticky? Yeah. Anyway, it makes it hard to tie. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by just tying a knot, and you want to tie it with just a little tiny bit on one side, not a lot, and all the other stuff on the other side. So basically you take it and you go a little bit over and you wrap it round and pull it through. You reach through the hole, you grab the thread, and you pull it all the way through. You do that all the way around, and the size is up to you. If you want them really big, you can have them really big. If you want them small, you can have them small. But if you make them really, really small, you probably should have took a whole lot of string because it's harder to, you'll run out faster. Now you're going to add, you're going to keep going where you were just, what you were just doing. So you're going to go to your next one, which was the first one you made, and you're going to go about halfway through. You're going to make a loop, reach through, and grab your thread. So that you have one piece that doubles up. Have a look.
Pretend it's like your rod, yeah.
Okay?
You want to help me with that?
Yeah. When you get the first one done, you can start adding beads. When you get to that point where you have your first piece that's doubled over, you can add your beads. If you want to add beads, you add the beads, and then you keep doing the same thing you were doing on the ring. So when you got your dream catcher done, right? Basically, you take your 2 strips or 3 strips of hide, and you fold it in half like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Wait.
You take and hold it by what you want to be the top. So in your guys' case, you'll have 3. So you'll have 1 in the middle, and you'll have 2 on each end. So you take this, and you make like a loop, poke it up over the ring, grab the 2 ends, so make a loop, grab your end pieces, put it through the loop.
I don't know how to do that.
I'm going to show you in a second. So you got penny pieces. Is you take your bead, you take your rawhide end piece, and you spin it in your fingers so that it goes a little bit pointy.
Could you dump my beads in there?
You take 1 bead, or you can take 2 beads, it's up to you. You put it on the hide, and when you got your beads on the hide lace, you add a little knot on the bottom so they can't come off. To put your feathers on,
I want to put my feathers right there.
to put your feathers on, your beads hold them in place. So you just slide them up inside the bead. And to hang it up, just grab a piece of the sinew that you have left that you cut off, or I got some extra, and just grab it where you want it to hang. Make a loop